Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into TQQQ. We previously shared an overview on our website on Thursday, February 15, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Unlock the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified TQQQ as a strong investment opportunity, giving it a score of 4.31. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 21.09% since we first recommended TQQQ as a buy option 28 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.75% since it was identified as a strong investment opportunity. The ETF is currently in the middle of a strong upward trend, indicating the potential for further growth. Over the next 3 months, the trend suggests a possible change of 36.58%, with a potential return ranging between 23.84% and 41.94%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend indicates a potential change of 89.49%, with a return ranging between 27.05% and 94.95%. This would result in a price range of $75 to $115.08 after 1 year. Our latest update for TQQQ brings you this headline: TQQQ ETF price increased by 0.84% on Thursday. On the last trading day, Thursday, February 15, 2024, the TQQQ ETF price rose from $58.54 to $59.03, representing a gain of 0.84%. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated between a low of $57.73 and a high of $59.21, experiencing a 2.56% fluctuation. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, accumulating an overall increase of 8.31% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased by -13 million shares on the last day, with a total of 64 million shares bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $3.79 billion. It is important to note that a decrease in volume alongside higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $61.14, while the lowest price was $20.13. Currently, the price is 3.45% below the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $2.11. Furthermore, the current price stands at 69.07% below the all-time high, which was reached on January 8, 2021, with a price of $190.88. Let's analyze the signals for TQQQ, the ETF. Currently, the signals for TQQQ are mixed. On Friday, February 9, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decrease of -2.06% so far. It is anticipated that the ETF will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, there is a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Despite these sell signals, the TQQQ ETF has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Moreover, the relation between the two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. If the ETF experiences corrections downwards, it will find support at $58.71 and $53.57. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be triggered. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the prices increasing. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the TQQQ ETF. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals that can help you make informed investment decisions. Let's dive in. First up, we have the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently giving a sell signal. Keep an eye on that. Another signal worth noting is the pivots indicator, which also gave a sell signal 5 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger indicator provided a buy signal 18 days ago. Something to consider. Looking at short-term moving averages, we have a sell signal that was generated 4 days ago. Take note of this. In contrast, the long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal that occurred 29 days ago. Keep this in mind. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a sell signal 23 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is showing a buy signal that happened 67 days ago. Interesting, right? Lastly, if we consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we have a buy signal that occurred 57 days ago. This could be significant. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals and valuable insights. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. Let's talk about the support levels for TQQQ, the ETF we're focusing on today. Currently, it has support just below its current level at $48.74 and $48.66, based on accumulated volume. Support levels are important because they indicate a potential stopping point for any downward movement of the ETF. However, it's worth noting that if the current support level is broken, the ETF may fall further to the next support level at $48.66 and $44.40. Now, let's discuss the risk involved in trading this ETF. TQQQ typically has average movements during the day and it has good trading volume. This means that the risk associated with trading this ETF is considered to be medium. To give you an idea of its volatility, in the last day, TQQQ moved $1.48 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to a 2.56% change. Over the past week, its daily average volatility has been 3.33%. Today, we will be discussing potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $59.56. If you are not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. However, if you already have the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $48.74. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $56.68, which reflects a decrease of 3.98%. This ETF exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 4 days ago. Is the TQQQ ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe there is a potential buying opportunity for the TQQQ ETF. However, our analysis shows that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Friday, February 16th, we anticipate TQQQ to open down $0.373 and begin trading at $58.66. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. We're also curious about your target for the ETF. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a fantastic day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.